The next A Tiny Spark is going out in about 2 weeks, and all my supplies are coming in and I'm getting so excited. If you've already subscribed, then Sparkies, thank you so much. I got another letter back. She even sent me some stickers. They all have scriptures on them. She sent me a magnetic bookmark. And in her card, she said, Dear Kathy, she said some really nice things about me. And then she said, snail mail is such a treat. I enjoyed every little detail and wanted to send you just a little something you'd find in your mailbox. Fayetteville, Tennessee. Denise, thank you so much. First of all, we're interviewing Lisa Johnson. She lives in the Nashville, Tennessee area, and she has a very interesting story that I can't wait for you to read about. She shared her favorite company meal and she shared a recipe with us. I've never seen another recipe like it. And everything, including the art print, is tied into what Lisa shared with me. That's what I built the theme around. So I've got my papers coming in. I've got my envelopes coming in. So I'm trying to do this quickly because I don't really want you to see everything. I've got my different stickers coming in. My envelope sticker. Look at the pretty tissue paper for the art print. Gonna be lovely. The art print is my own personal watercolor. I am not a professional or even any good at it by any means. I'm hoping just to send something cheerful into your mailbox. Thank you for being a part of this with me. I hope you're enjoying it. If you haven't subscribed to the A Tiny Spark, which is a monthly subscription snail mail club for Christian women, fun stuff in your mailbox every single month, you can go to lifeandfavor.org and subscribe there and join us. $11 a month. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Bye.